Hello students, today we are going to see the division of fractions. Division is nothing but dividing a number by a fraction is the same as multiplying that number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Let's see the example to understand it. Example, divide 18 by 3. Okay, listen how to give the solution. We are going to divide 18 by 3. So let us write like this. 18 divide 3. We already know every number has a denominator 1. See here, there is a denominator 1 and this also there is a denominator 1. These two numbers are represents improper fractions. Okay, let's see how to divide this. Dividing a number by a fraction is the same as multiplying that number by the reciprocal of the fraction. First, you have to write the first number 18. We are going to multiply. Next, you have to find the reciprocal of the second number. Reciprocal is nothing but numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. That is the reciprocal of this number. So, 3 by 1 will become 1 by 3. In this situation, you have to understand one thing very carefully. See here, you have to find the reciprocal of the second number only. Just ignore the first number. Write the same number here. Don't do any changes in the first same number. You have to find the reciprocal of the second number only. Then you have to multiply these two fractions. 18 into 1 equal to 18. 1 3 is equal to 3. Next you have to divide this by third table. 1 3 is 3. 6 3 are 18. So the answer is 6. Next we are going to see the book example 19. Kandan shares half piece of a cake between two persons. What will be the share of each? Let us consider this is the half piece of a cake. Half piece. We have to share it to two persons. How to share it? There is only one way. We have to divide it to, then only we can share it to two persons. We have to divide it equally into two parts. Then only we can share it to two persons. So, I am going to divide this equally by 2. I have divided this half piece. There is 2 pieces in the cake. I can share it to two persons. That is what I am going to do by number. We have to divide this half by 2. When we divide this half by 2, then we can share it to two persons. Okay, listen how to divide this. I have told you already how to divide two numbers. First you have to write the first number, that is 1 by 2. Next you have to write division as multiplication, and then you have to write the reciprocal of the second number. Every number has a denominator 1. So the reciprocal of this number is 1 by 2. Next we are going to multiply these two numbers. When we multiply the numerators, 1 1 is 1, denominator is 2 2s are 4. So when we multiplied 1 by 2 half by 2, we can get 1 by 4. This is the answer for this question. Book example 20. Divide 4 and half by 3 and half. Okay, listen how to write the answer for this question. First you have to write the question here. 4 and half divide by 3 and half. These two numbers are in mixed fractions. So we have to convert these two mixed fractions into an improper fraction. Let's see. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. It can be written as 9 by 2. Next division symbol. Next 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 by 2. 3 and half can be written as 7 by 2. We know how to divide these two numbers. First we have to write the first number 9 by 2. Next we have to change the division symbol into multiplication, and then we have to find the reciprocal of the second number. 7 by 2 can be written as 2 by 7. And we can divide this if any possible table. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Next, multiply the numerator. 9 1 is 9 and the denominator is 1 7 is 7. So 9 by 7 is the answer for this question. Next, example 21. An oil tin contains 7.5 liters of oil which is poured in 2.5 liters bottles. How many bottles are required to fill 7.5 liters of oil? Okay, listen carefully to answer this question. Let us consider this is a tin having 7.5 liters of oil. This tin contains 7.5 liters of oil. We are going to pour in 2.5 liters of bottles. We have to divide 7.5 by 2.5. These two numbers are in mixed fractions, so we have to convert it into improper fractions. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 equal to 15. So 15 by 2. Next, division. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 5 by 2. Next step, you have to write the first number 15 by 2. You have to change the division symbol into multiplication, and then you have to convert the reciprocal of the second number. 5 by 2 can be written as 2 by 5. Next, you have to divide these two numbers by possible table. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. Next, multiply the numerator. 3 1 is 3, denominator is 1 1 is 1. We know every number has a denominator 1, so we don't need to write 1 in the denominator. The answer is 3 bottles. 7.5 divide 2.5 equal to 3 bottles. This is the answer for this question. Next book example 22. A rod of length 6 meter is cut into small rods of length 1.5 meter each. How many small rods can be cut? Let's see the solution. The number of small rods equal to, we are going to convert 6 meter as 1.5 meter each. For that, we have to divide 6 meter by 1.5 meter, and then we will get the answer. Let's see how to answer. 6 divide 1.5. There is one mixed fraction. We have convert into improper fraction. Write the number first. 6 divide 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. We have to write the first number. Division will be changed into multiplication. 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 2. Next, we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Let us multiply the numerator. 2 2s are 4. The denominator is 1. 1 need not be written, so the answer is 4. The number of small rods equal to 4 rods. This is the answer for this question.